What up? What up? What is up, y'all? It's your girl Patty, and welcome to my channel, Patty Locs. Alright, so I'm headed to the gym. It's all about the journey in life, you know. It's been a minute, a long minute. Let's not call it a minute. Let's call it an hour since I've been to the gym. Like, it's been that long, you know. If you know what I mean, if you know my slang, my lingo, you know, it's been months. It's been almost, like 6 months since I've been to the gym. So I'm heading to the gym, and yeah, and I wanted to update you guys a little bit on my hair, and yeah, see you soon. Just came from the gym, and god damn it, I am exhausted. It's just day one, so I didn't like try to go too hard. Taking my time, doing a little slow pace until my body is ready. I did it, and I am headed home. I'm gonna shower because I don't live too far, so I'm gonna go shower and then get some work done. I'm going to this I guess a shared office place, but it's not like those like you rent your own office. You just rent out monthly to this place, and you get like free Wi-Fi, and you know, you share with other people. It's a big like office that everybody share at one. Yeah, so that's where I'm going, and I'm gonna go shower. See you soon. I just finished showering. I ate breakfast. Finally starting my day. I woke up pretty early to get things done, and I'm actually happy because I'm gonna get a lot done. Like I said, I'm about to head out soon, but I wanted to update you on my hair. As you can see, like I did sweat a good amount, and I sweat easily. So there's some twists that already came out. I'm not sure if you can see it, but some twists already came out. Like this one came out. This is a little bit twisted still. This one came out. This one is twisted. You know, some are twisted, some came out. I don't know, but yeah, pretty much you can't see the twists anymore. I mean, unless I move my hair around and stuff, you can see it, but it's pretty much gone. They don't last that long. In some parts of my hair it does last, but most parts don't last at all. So I'm gonna still try to continue to do some twists. I'm not gonna twist my hair as much, like I said. I heard that's pretty bad for your hair, especially when your hair starts to get heavy. I'm happy. It looks good. I secretly like when my scalp isn't showing, but I do like the parts when I do this and show the parts. So yeah, it's in a place where I like it right now, so I'm happy about that. Anyway, I'm gonna head out, edit this video for you, and put the link in the description of the shared workspace that I'm going to right now. It's called Kettle Space, so click the link on the bottom. I'm not promoting them, I just love it. I love the environment, and I really work really well there. I'm going to leave now, and yeah, update you guys I guess on Sunday. Yeah, Sunday's my next video. I'll probably do a little vlog because my hair is still developing. Nothing new is happening to it at the moment. So I'll just do a little vlog of my weekend. It's going to be a pretty fun weekend. Natalia, who's usually in my video, who always comes with me to do my hair. She is performing, she's a singer, so yeah, I'm really excited for this weekend, and keep you all posted. So, heading to the kettle space right now. Whoosh.